An object is kicked from a platform. The equation h equals negative 4.9 t squared plus 7t plus 9 represents the situation where h is the height of the object above the ground in meters, t seconds after it is kicked. Which number represents the height in meters from which the object was kicked? So first I'm going to highlight our question. Which number represents the height in meters from which the object was kicked? So we're trying to find the height, essentially, from which the object was kicked. So basically at the starting time, because that's when the object is kicked. So basically t is 0. We're trying to find the height when t is 0. Now we're given our equation here, so what we need to do is substitute 0 for t. So that would cancel out this term here, that would cancel out this term here, and we are left with 9. So the answer would be 9 meters.